Okay, so for question number 1, which is Emma's boutique, to determine the elastic or inelastic prices. So 1 Roman, we need to calculate it. We have calculated based on the formula that has been provided in our textbook at page 74. For A, it is perfectly elastic demand, where the answer is infinity. We have substitute 150 minus 0 divided by 0 times 0 divided by 50 minus 0. Okay, and for B, it is elastic demand. As you can see, we did use the same formula, and we just substitute all the numbers into the formula, and it is elastic because the demand is greater than 1. Same goes to the C, which is when the demand is greater than 1, it is an elastic demand. Okay, so for 2 Roman, we need to explain the implication of the price elasticity value for Emma's boutique, and we also need to state it, pricing strategies and revenue generation. So when we have looked at that, the demand for the items in Emma's boutique is elastic, owing to the fact that it is the demand price is larger than 1. So the demand curve will be relatively positive. In a simple way, when the price is increasing, the total revenue will decreasing, and vice versa. When you decrease the price, your sales or your total revenue will increase. So if the product is elastic, the changes in price will have a higher impact on it. Thus, price reducing when you are opening a business, when you are reducing your price, it will give you a higher sales volume. In conclusion, the pricing strategies and revenue generation that can be applied by Emma's boutique is to reduce her selling price for a short term. For example, doing year-end sale and discount during festive seasons, in order for her to increase her sales and increasing her total revenue.
So let's move to question 2. This question already provides a table about income analysis for Emma's boutique clothing item. For 1 Roman, they ask us to calculate the income elasticity of demand for Emma's boutique clothing items by comparing the quantity demand at the low income level with the moderate income level. Interpret whether the goods are normal or inferior based on the calculated income elasticity. Low equal to 100 minus 0 over 0 multiplied by 0 over 5,000 minus 0 equal to 0. For moderate equal to 150 minus 100 over 100 equal to, multiplied by 5,000 over 7,500 minus 5,000 equal to 1. This is the answer for question 2 Roman. Based on the income elasticity result that we get from question 1 Romans, the item provided by Emma's boutique is a normal type of goods. It is due to the fact that the elastic demand based on income is 1. Based on the tables, the income increased from 5,000 to 10,000. Same goes to quantity demand, increased from 100 to 200 items. It also because Emma's boutique is having a positive income elasticity of demand, where if there is increase in income, so the quantity demanded will also increase. All of above has indicate the goods as normal goods.
Okay, so let me move you to our next question, which is question number 3. So we have been given a table that lists a cross-price elasticity of demand for several goods. So these goods will determine whether it is complementary goods or a substitute goods based on the cross-price elasticity of demand. Okay, so the cross elasticity of demand between two goods indicates the relationship between it. There are 3 degrees of responsiveness in cross elastic demand. if the both goods are substitutes, the cross price elasticity will be positive. Meanwhile, if the goods are complementary, the cross price elasticity will be negative. However, if both goods are interrelated, the cross price elasticity will be 0. Okay, so based on the question that we need to answer is, so the first one is air conditioning and units and kilowatts of electricity. So the amount is negative 0.34, which is it is a complementary goods. Based on the statement that I have stated before, if it is negative, then it is complementary. So we move to Coke and Pepsi. It is 0.63, which is substitute good. High fuel consuming sport utility and SUV, it is negative 0.28, which is complementary goods. A McDonald's and Burger King, 0.82, substitute. Same goes to the butter and margarine, a 1.54, proof the goods are substitute. And we move to the second round of the question 3. So we need to compare the absolute values of the cross-price elasticities and explain their magnitude. For example, why is the cross-price elasticity of McDonald's burgers and Burger King burger less than the cross-price elasticity of butter and margarine? Okay, so when we are talking about the cross-price elasticity, we need to know that the higher the value of the price, the stronger the relationship it is, because this is a substitute good due to the fact that both numbers of price is positive. So, for example, if butter price increase, the quantity demand for margarine if butter price increase, quantity demand for margarine increase, because it is positively related. This is reflected in the cross elasticity of the demand formula. And also, what I need to stand here is the higher positive number indicates the stronger relationship of the substitute goods. So the cross price elasticity for McDonald's and Burger King is 0.82. Meanwhile, the cross price elasticity for butter and margarine is 1.54. So, what we are trying to show here is the relationship between butter and margarine are stronger as substitute goods to be compared with the McDonald's and Burger King because the cross price elasticity is higher.
This is our last question in this presentation. So, we need to calculate the price elasticity of supply for question 1 Roman. The answer is ED equal to 1,800 minus 1,500 over 1,500 multiplied by 800 over 900 minus 800. So ED is equal to 1.6. So this question wants us to discuss how technological advancements contribute to the elasticity or inelasticity of supply in the electronics industry. As we all know, technological advancements plays a huge role in electrical industry. If the latest technology is used for producing goods, then it will result in faster production. The higher the technology level, the more price elastic the quantity supplied will be. For instance, looking at the context of the laptop market scenario, if the company is using latest and advanced technology, the production of the laptop will be speed up. Hence, it will increase the quantity of the laptop produced. This increase in supply will contribute to the elasticity of supply in electrical industry. With the advancement of technology, more firms will be able to enter market competition, thus the price will be more elastic.